here for the first race?
No.
Oh. Good.
It is. Glad you know. What is going on? It is so shifty. I'm going low now, coming up.
Should just come up this like.
Right, we need tack, but we also need to keep Patrick off to leeward. Unless you want to risk just getting around. Where's the mark? There, okay. Just wait. Oh my god. That's what I want about. What's whistling? Chloe. Grand. No, just wait. This is good for now. Right, come in for the jag now. Here we go. I dropped everything.
Yeah, we're trying to.
Come on, it's okay. This is fine. Right, come on. Get her flying. Ease.
No, it's that.
And we're straight on the ley line, look at that. No, not the downwind. Yeah, gust on the way. We're about hitting this one straight on. Yes, we can. But we're not dropping it yet. Is it deep below us?
Well,
yeah, a wee bit.
We're taking fire of it.
That's okay. There's a bit of tide in here, so should we jibe off?
Yeah, and then drop.
Well, if we want to do that, we need to go a little bit further. Just go this way for a wee bit, get a bit of speed out. Hello, city up. Right. But don't worry, we got this. Getting ahead of loads here, sail just ahead of us. Okay, I'm gonna get the bottom. You stay up. Actually, get velocity off the line here. Line, what? Speaking of line, we probably need to go through that at some point. I know, right. Ready to attack? Here we go. I know. That's what I mean, they're really quick upwind. That's not so much. No, I'm good.
Yeah, come on, can't get off.
Abby, you need to get off.
Can't get off it.
He's downhill.
That's off on the side.
Back.
Mum's there.
I know, I see it. Oh, right. I don't know how we survived.
I'm not sure if it's surviving that.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sorry, I exited low. We're good.
Done.
Got to bring the speed down.
You focus on where we're going, come on, just focus on what people need to say.
Yep, that's fine. think you're too tight, Abby. Ease loads.
I don't know. It's like.
Nice, good job. Well done. I understand it's heavy, you're gonna have big arms. Whoa. We're going quick now. That was a big gust just passed there. Puff. Holy Jesus. Pitch pulled. We're sailing this thing like it's a hike boat. No trap. Woohoo! Right, do you want to drop it? Or do you want to keep going? You okay? Yeah, I'm ready. Right.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I agree with that. Our kicker's off. Good, that'll do. I can imagine. Okay, okay, okay. Let me gust it a wee bit. Okay, we need Zach twice, so ready? I dropped the tiller. We're okay. Okay, I'm ready. There we go. I hope we keep going. It's not finished. Where is it? That's the downing line. Get the vang off. Good spot, well done. Oh.
Got it.
Okay, you sheet on the men. Okay. How do we sort you out? So don't tack. Just keep going.
Yeah, I got it.
Just go hove too. That's fine. Ease the jib off. Okay, that's it back on. Okay, that's it. It's fine. This stuff happens. Okay. Sheet really hard. Oh, there you go, that's it. RS 400 around the mark. Okay, I'm bringing her up. Sheet. Good. It's okay. Yeah. Stay out. He's loving this. probably more than we are. You need to be low, well low. Thank you. Come in. Yeah. 30 seconds. Right. Go. Shit. It's alright. Drop the main feet. Right. Just wait. Get the jib. Get the jib. Jib off, touch. I know, I understand. Patrick's over us. Not good. Line between them. Ducking really hard. Yep. Come back up, come back up, come back up. Hike really hard. You need to go into the boat and drop the kite. Sorry for losing my temper. We're alright, thanks guys. Yeah, we're okay. Had to dodge a mooring there and... Is it in? Just coming straight over. Okay. Just be careful because it will swing back into the wind. Right. Here we go. I think.
Just try to stay out of the water.
Yep. Here we go. You steer. Can't get in. We're okay. 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 Good. Holy shit. Give it heaps, give it heaps, give it heaps. Oh shit. I literally don't know, Abby.